What's up, everybody? So today we are back in the garage and we've got Luke once again with his Mazda B2000. I know it says 2600, but this has been swapped to a 2600 bed body style, and we're finally doing the mod to it.
Doing stuff.
Yep, because it's been a while since we haven't done anything. As you guys just saw previously, we did a little bit of a showing of the truck where it's been and everything in the last video, but today we're gonna do something about that steering wheel. Now, Luke had said something in that video saying that the steering wheel was kind of junk. You had actually broken.
It's very junk.
You had broken the stock and stuff on it. So that had been replaced. And thankfully enough, we had a subscriber that had sent us out a little care package quite a while ago. He sent us the radio and a new steering wheel. So we are finally going to be installing that today. Here is everything that we have picked up, or I guess Luke picked up. This is actually the steering wheel
that he gave us, Grant.
Let me turn my light on here so you guys can see a little better. But here's the steering wheel that he gave us. This is a renowned steering wheel. I don't remember what size this was. Was this like a 30?
Oh, shoot, I don't remember.
A 32 millimeter or something like that? I don't remember. But it's got the red stitching. It's gonna be a lot smaller, and of course it'll be a quick release, which we have over here. Sorry for the mess that I have like set up here. But Luke's got the NRG quick release hub here, and we also have the adapter in here.
Yep, adapter's in there. Are you gonna grab it?
So let's open this up.
This little short hub.
Yep, so that'll mount right to the steering column. This will go on top of this, and then we'll be able to mount the wheel. Now this
is from an RX-7.
Yeah.
And I
do we have the part number on here? We can show
We should, yeah.
Yeah, so it's SRK 160H if you guys are wanting to know what to use for your truck. And then the hub themselves, the quick releases, are pretty much universal. They just mount up. So yeah, I can't wait to actually have this installed, and it looks like we'll be able to use the horns, hopefully.
Yeah, well, I think
it should just straight up plug in.
Stuck, so I don't think.
Oh yeah, it is.
It clicks.
So we won't be able to actually hear it or be able to see it work.
Well, you'll maybe hear it click, but
maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, this will look really nice in the truck. I mean, if you guys take the steering wheel over here, then we can just show you inside here what we're working with. But yeah, there's the stock Mazda one, and like Luke said, it has some issues. Like, obviously, this doesn't stay on.
I mean,
because I think there's supposed to be screws, but they stripped out or something.
And this would obviously plug in, but
yeah, so
I just left it off because
that's not going to work.
Windshield.
Yep.
Or my windshield wiper stock.
But otherwise, this should be a pretty quick and easy.
Yeah, I won't have to bang my legs against.
Yeah, that was always the biggest thing. This steering wheel is quite large. Getting in and out of this truck is not the easiest thing since we had put in these NRG style bucket seats. So yeah, having a quick release, being able to take the steering wheel out, putting it on the dash, or just carrying it with you. I mean, it's also theft prevention. So I guess let's go ahead, pop this steering wheel off, and then start installing the new one. Okay, so now in order to get the steering wheel off, we have the 21 millimeter that's underneath here. Now, ideally, you guys would still have your horn and stuff on here, or your padding on the front here. There's 2 screws in the back on this side here. Yep, and that will release that, and that'll just slide off. You just have to unplug this one wire here. So then that's good. Yeah. So then we can go ahead, pop out this bolt here, or not. This is a 21 millimeter, and a lot of times these are always like pretty tight. So you're just want to back it off a little bit, kind of give it a smack around, and then it should be loose.
I don't know that. Yep, it's already loose.
There it goes, because you just broke it loose with the breaker bar.
Yep.
So now go ahead and let's take it off the rest of the way. All right, so now we got the steering wheel off. We're gonna go ahead and install the short hub, which he has here. You guys just saw it from a second ago. We showed the box and everything. But we're gonna go ahead, put this on. So it's gonna line into these 2 smaller holes, not the elongated ones. They just slide over top of this, which is basically what disengages your turn signals after you made a full rotation with the steering wheel. So yeah, so now it should just slide on. And basically you guys can see there the NRG is on the top.
Yep.
So yeah, it just, you gotta slid back all the way.
Yeah.
That's as far as it's gonna go. So then we'll go ahead and throw on our 21 millimeter nut again.
Okay, that's on there.
Okay, so that's on there now. And honestly, before you guys do this, we should have started this out saying that make sure your wheel and tires are straight with the wheel and everything. Yeah. Otherwise, when you put this on there, it could be crooked. But yeah, so now they got the short hub on, we can go ahead and install the quick release part. Now, as far as the quick release goes, there's going to be a little button right here on top. So you're going to want to push that down and then pull up. Luke, do it. And then I'm going to push that button. So slide all the way up.
Oh, did I get her out or not?
Nope.
There we go.
Goes. So now this piece is out here, and all we're gonna do is take these 2 wires here. They're just gonna plug in. You can see one's obviously ground and one's obviously power. male and female. Slide them in there. The NRG logo, once again, is going to go on top. You can see the little dot right above the NRG emblem. But it'll just line up there.
On this too.
Yep. And it comes with hardware to install this.
Over here.
We have them sitting here on the dash. They are the Allen key styles. So yeah, go ahead and plug in your wires there. We'll just go male and female, female, male. So now that is on, and honestly, if you guys didn't want to do the quick release part, you could just leave it the short hub and mount the steering wheel to it. But for our case, we are doing the quick release because we have these bucket seats and it makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the vehicle. You can already see how much more leg room you have without a steering wheel getting in and out of here.
Yeah.
So next up, we're gonna go ahead, put the
old
quick release on there. We could bolt the steering wheel to this now, or we could do it after.
It doesn't matter to me. I don't think.
But basically, when you go to mount this, it has a one black dot there again. You're just gonna make sure it's at the top, dead center. Slide it on. Yep.
Keep your fingers out of the way.
And it's on. So now, technically, this is the completed piece.
Let's just try it like this.
Yeah.
With no power steering.
That'd be awful. But yeah, this is completed now. We just need to go through our steering wheel on here and then put the horn on as well. We might have a little bit more challenge with the horn because, as you can see here, it is like the male and female plugs, whereas this one for the Renown does not have those. We're gonna have to like
shrink wrap or something
over top of that, or try to make it mount another way. And I don't even know, like we said, if the horn even works in this car. I think it's just kind of
it goes.
Yep. So let's go and put the wheel on next. All right, so now we got the steering wheel. Like we said, this is the Renown one that we got from a subscriber.
Yep.
And Luke went ahead and put his screw in there. It's another Allen key style, just black, basic.
Yeah.
And you're just gonna go and thread it in the top hole, match it all up, same way.
See if I can not drop this.
Yeah, it's probably easier to do it off of the truck, like on the hub
itself,
itself, but
and then put it on.
So you guys have it, steering wheel is now on. You can go and do the quick release part, just pushing that button on the top.
Where at? Right here?
Yep. And then pull back on, and it's on. Look how easy that is.
That's super
so
easy. Dude. Whoop.
You're bashing it.
Boom.
Yeah. So now you'll be able to get in and out of your car easily.
I mean, this is already
safety
smaller.
feature.
This is already smaller too.
And then it should, just slide right back on. Yep, that's it.
Wow.
And I've seen people that do delete these pins, which you can do, but for safety purposes, I wouldn't delete it, so we'll just leave it on there. I don't even know if I was showing it. I might have the camera right at the steering wheel, but yeah, you guys can see there. So next up, we can put the horn on. Like we said, we do have to figure out this because it isn't like an NRG.
What do you think?
You
want to bust out the soldering?
I don't know. We'll figure something out here in just a second, but you can already see here, it is labeled as ground and power. So we know that black is probably gonna be ground, yellow is power. So we'll figure out a way to wire this thing up. I doubt, like I said, the horn will work, but we'll find out.
We'll try it.
All right, so we went ahead, cut that little ground wire piece off, so they are both these kind of connectors. So we can slide them over top of these. I guess these would be female connectors, and then you have the male tabs. So black is ground. It should just slide in. Yellow is power. That'll slide on as well. Make sure that it is up straight.
Your poosh.
Is it gonna work?
Hey!
You can hear the horn honking. It's not going back all the way though. It's not clipping.
Doesn't want to clip in?
No, I wonder.
Are there any tabs on it broken?
Okay, well, I got that to work, so I got that to plug in, I got that to plug in. But unfortunately, when we tried pushing this in, I didn't realize, but on the back side here, there's actually a couple tabs that are broken, so this isn't even usable. So that sucks. We're gonna have to leave this open for right now.
Yeah,
we'll probably have to pick up a new horn button, maybe get something, maybe a little custom, we'll see.
Ooh, custom.
We'll figure out
that's
something.
A thing.
It might be.
Oh, okay.
Maybe one of them in the comments can let us know. But
all right, sure.
We'll figure out what we can use for this horn button, but for now, yeah, look at that.
It'll be exposed.
You want to honk at somebody?
Push those two wires together. And then they'll wonder why you're clicking at them.
The horn doesn't even work. All right. That's too funny. Okay, well, steering wheel is in, and you guys can see here the button is on top. Slides right off, and then it has that little safety piece there, so even if I put the steering wheel on this way, like, it'll come back off again. but you can put it on there.
Yep.
Now it's locked in. So this steering wheel should be good to go, aside from the horn like you guys just saw here. We will figure that out. But I guess let's go test this thing out.
Yeah. Go rip.
All right, so now we are in Luke's truck. We're out driving it around with a new steering wheel. It is kind of loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me and him.
Yeah.
I think we got a little bit of exhaust leak. It's finally happened. It's been quite some time, but it does sound a lot louder than what it is.
Yep.
But yeah, so there it is, the new steering wheel. What do you think, man?
Dude, way better.
Way nicer.
Way nicer.
Looks like you got like a lot tighter turning radius too. You can get your legs around, like you guys can see there.
I'm not worried about my legs hitting the wheel or anything.
Yeah.
I am a little bit further away from my stalks and stuff, but that's fine.
Yeah, I mean, have you tested out the turn signal, seeing if it goes back into place?
We'll see here.
So we're gonna turn right. You can see there, turn signal is on.
I'll just break through it.
Now let's see if it
corrects itself.
Shuts it off after you make the corner.
Previously, it wouldn't.
We left that Allen key on the dash. It keeps sliding around. Okay,
Yep,
so cool.
it did.
That just shut off. That's awesome. So that worked really well. Overall, I think the steering wheel is really good. Like I said, we still need to figure out what to do for the horn button, just because that renowned one that we got didn't quite fit because it was broken, and I don't know if that's just from us having it for so long, but
yeah, it could just be old.
Yeah, so we got to figure out something for that. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with that steering wheel. It looks awesome. It's that black leather, as you guys can see there, with the red stitching. Everything is good to go. We do have this already to be wired up for the horn.
Yep.
Just like I said, need to get one. But yeah, you definitely have way more legroom now. You can get in and out of the vehicle much more smoothly.
Yeah, I can pop this off.
Yep.
So
it should be good. Hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We got plenty more stuff coming. Hopefully we'll have Luke back on the channel more often now that he's starting to do some more stuff to the truck. It's just getting my schedule and his schedule to line up. It's a little bit of a challenge. But yeah, I think we'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one. If you guys do want any of these parts, we will have a link in the description below. We'll have the short hub, the quick release, and I don't know about the steering wheel because I don't know if that's like an Amazon part or anything.
Well, I don't even know if it's available anymore.
Yeah, well, if I find it, I'll post it in the description below. But see you guys in the next one.